3 trays. Go! Bacon chips, anyone? Ooh, and they're bright pink. Yes! These rock! Now Katie. Bright blue. Wonder how these bad boys will taste. Give us the official review, Blueberry. So good. Denny, it's all you. Nothing? This can't be right. Where are Denny's chips? Poor guy. Up there! Wah! Yeah, that'll do it. Lucky duck. Enjoy your gigantanormous chips. They look so cool. And no, ladies, don't even think about it. Julie gets out a blowtorch? Girl power, baby! Katie is into it, too. You better start running, Dens. Oh, God! Girls, no! Man, burnt to a crisp. Dude, this blows. You girls. 3 new trays. Okay, Den, you go. Chocolate bar. Oh, yes! But Denny wants to take it to the next level. With hazelnut spread. Oh, yeah. This is gonna rock. Denny takes his chocolate bar and is not shy with Nutella. Wow, scrumptious! Oh, Julie, you ain't seen nothing yet. That's right, he's got more! Sprinkles, yes! Please have a bite. The people are waiting. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes! So good! Kate. Blue bar. So bright. All right, this should do nicely. Kate fills up her contraption with the spread. It's ready for action. Tella pasta. Wow! It's going all over her cocoa bar. Amazing! We're just about done here. That's a lot of chocolate. And now, obviously, some strawberries. You know, healthy stuff. Here. Psych! It's all for Kate. How could she share such goodness? Okay, Julie's turn. And pop! Pink chocolate. And you bet we're making it fancy. With the power of magic. She's multiplied the candies. Can you multiply this dollar bill? But Julie has other plans than making her narrator rich. She's making Tella chocolates. How cool is that? And so freaking tasty. Julie, you win this one. Big time. And done. Hey, you three. How about these juicy melons? Looking good, am I right? Yeah, baby. Let's slice him. Bam! Whoa! They're totally filled with pink jelly! I've never seen anything like that before! Enjoy, Miss Haley! Ah, yes! Tastes even better than it looks. Okay, girl, let's do this! Blue, I'm coming for you! Oh, goodness! Slices of bright berry wonder. So chewy!
Nom nom.
Ready for seconds? Yes! Sam! Slice it up! What? No! Bam! Certainly not what our friend here was expecting. What a mess! Look, guys! Sam is fresh out of luck. Got it! Pop Tube here to save the day. These girls have another thing coming. Slurp! Slurpity! We've gotta do something, ladies! Okay. Perfect idea! Let's get those jellies back. That'll teach him. Ha! Nice! See ya! Hey there, buddy. Help! What's up next? Why, none other than a totally colorful meal. Fries, sandwiches, drinks. I mean, it's the whole shebang. Always happy to see Hale so excited about her meal. Dreamy. Whoa! It's perfectly chocolatey. And he is not wasting any time. That thing will be long gone before we know it. Mmm. Huh. Idea! What is this boy thinking? His line of sight is on Nana's burger! He's replacing her cheese with rubber! Hee hee. Missy goes in for a bite of the burger.
Chomp.
Tug! That's what we call instant karma around these parts. And here comes the food fight! You two, give it a rest! And learn a thing or two from Haley's Book of Zen! Even in all this chaos, her nugs reign supreme. What a scene! Guys, look at that! A donut with a totally blank canvas. Denny, this means it's up to you three to decorate. Julie gets out a pair of forms. This should do the trick. Kate with blue, Denny black, and Julie with pink. These three are about to create a masterpiece. Wonderful! Keep pouring. Done! Of course, that's not all. Some glittery color sprinkles are in order. Ooh, how nice! Oh, perfection! But you haven't seen the best part. Are you guys ready? Do it! Look at that delicious icing filling that donut! Shall we take out the middle? I think yes. Wow, wow, wow! So colorful, sparkly, shiny! You people are masters at work! And now, eat up! Uh-oh. Showdown! Guys, whoa there! Man! Hey, that works! Now everyone has a don that matches them! Yum yum! The crew are happy campers. Oh, so totally yum! Treats! I like the sound of that! Oh my gosh! Gummy lollies! The combination you never knew you needed. So good! Stacy, what the heck is that? It does not look too appetizing. Blah! Burnt! Hey, look girl! Magic time freeze! Now Julie's moving at snail speed, and Stacy can switch. Ew! Julie's not gonna know what hit her. What in the… Sorry, Julie. It had to be done. Oh man, that looks nuts! I don't know what happened, says Stace. And eats her treats without a care in the world. Poor Pinky. Better luck next time. Here you go! It's a pizza party! Awesome sauce! So delicious! Yeah, what? Man, it's teensy. Sam, what'd you get? Whoa, a single slice? In that giant box? These challenge masters sure do have a sense of humor. And dang, Nana is annihilating that pizza. Are you too jelly or what? And no, you cannot get a bite, because it's all gone. Man. Yes! Haley's got a plan. Just roll her out. Bam! That thing is huge! Now you can enjoy in peace. And that hits the spot. Sam, you gotta eat your slice. Oh yeah! He blows out a… Girls, look! Pizza balloon! Dude, how did you manage that? It's totally edible! Amazingness! Here, ladies, shall we try this bad boy out? Together now!
Chomp.
Whoa! That thing almost blew us away! Oh, brother. Look at that giant ice cream! And that cool black cake! Julie, have a bite! I know you wanna. You too, Stacy. I bet this is gonna be great! But you guys won't get off so easy.
Wow.
Spin the topping wheel and win super prizes! Stacy goes! Ready? Bubblegum popping candy! Get ready for a party! In your mouth! She puts it all over her cake. Ooh, pretty! This is gonna be awesome!
Oh yeah.
Time for the first bite! It lives up to the expectations. Go, Julie! Oh! No, it's not real toothpaste. It's candy! Thank goodness. This will go so well with Julie's ice cream cake. Put it on and let's eat! Ooh! Stacy! Cool! Yummy strawberry Pockies! Perfect for Stacy's terrific treat! Strawberry goodness! Oh yeah! Julie spins again. Drum roll, please! Ooh! Now, what is this? Oh gosh, hot sauce? It's known for its super intensity. I'm not sure Jules can handle it. We'll be lucky if her cake doesn't melt.
Wow.
Oh my! Burning up in here! Spin, spin, spin! An ice-cold shake. That should do the trick. You okay? I know your taste buds will thank you. Oh, this poor girl. Phew! Let's take 10. Thanks everyone so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our crazy show. Now remember to sub and hit that bell to keep up with our wild adventures. Until next time, sign our kooky crew.